Lithium-ion batteries represent the heart of electric cars. Flexible and efficient automation solutions are required in order to economically produce them with high quality. The production of battery cells depends on high quality. This means every single process step needs to be monitored. For a smooth process flow during calendering, a continuous tension of the electrode foil must be guaranteed. Here our inclination sensors measure the angle of the dancer arm. In addition, prompt roll changes are important for continuous operation. Our photoelectric distance sensors monitor the roll diameter and indicate when the roll needs to be changed using taught-in switching points. During calendering, a straight line strip pass of the electrode and separator films needs to be ensured. Our fork sensors measure the web edge position of the films with micrometer accuracy. The determined values are used to precisely control the guides on your production equipment. Our transponder-coded safety sensors ensure safe access control. The machine can operate freely when the actuator is located within the operating distance of the sensor. Likewise, a safe stop signal is generated immediately when the guard doors are opened. Flexibility and traceability are essential for the subsequent battery module production. When it comes to traceability, Balluff RFID is the ideal choice. Non-contact identification makes every production step traceable. All data is automatically collected in real time. This transparency allows you to respond flexibly to changes. Slip ring wear on rotary tables leads to downtime. Our inductive couplers are the fix. They quickly and reliably transmit power and signals for sensors and actuators over an air. Plug and play makes installation and replacement easy. Our inductive factor 1 sensors are ideal for non-contact position sensing of metallic objects. They provide the same switching distance for any metal. This increases flexibility in system design and installation. Our smart lights are state-of-the-art for process visualization. With their broad-range color spectrum, they can display all your operating conditions and states. Thanks to I/O-Link, all the color or mode changes can be made on the fly. Lifting up to the next level. We transform the automotive production.